Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are tackling one of the most time consuming parts of research, the literature review. If you have ever felt buried under hundreds of tabs struggling to find that one relevant paper, so AI tools for research can help researchers to discover new sources for literature review search. AI tools for literature review and evidence synthesis streamline research by automating discovery, summarizing, extracting data, and visualizing connections. In this video, we are going to explore the top AI tools that are revolutionizing how we find, read, and synthesize academic evidence, like Elicit, ResearchRabbit, Cite.ai, Consensus, and SciSpace, helping researchers find papers, identify themes, map citations, and synthesize evidence faster than manual methods. The first one is Elicit. Elicit is a specialized AI research assistant designed to automate time consuming workflows for scientists and academics. Unlike general purpose chatbot, Elicit focuses on providing verifiable sources backed information from a database of over 125 million academic papers. The function and uses of Elicit AI. Elicit functions as a research clipboard that uses semantic research to understand the intent behind a user's questions rather than just matching keywords. Literature review rapidly identifies relevant research papers and provides a one sentence summary of findings from the top results. Data extraction automatically pulls specific data points, sample size, outcomes, or interventions details from hundreds of papers into a structured research matrix. Systematic reviews automates the screening of papers against specific criteria, saving researchers up to 80% of the time usually required for this task. Visual reasoning. Recent updates late 2025 allows Elicit to interpret and extract data from figures such as heat maps and microscopy images. The pros and cons of Elicit. First, pros high accuracy. It claims a data extraction accuracy rate approximately 90 to 94% comparable to human reviewers. Verifiability. Even claim it's linked directly to a specific sentence in the source's paper to prevent hallucinations. Efficiency can save researchers 3 to 5 hours per week on average. Cons database limit. It primarily searches papers indexed in semantic scholar, meaning papers behind some paywalls or those not in its database may be missed. Poor sensitivity. Some independent evaluations found its initial search sensitivity around 40% is lower than traditional manual database screening over 90%. Costly tiers. While it has a free plan, advanced features like full text data extraction required paid subscriptions ranging from $9 to $49 per month. The second one AI research tool is Cite. Cite is an AI powered research platform designed to help users evaluate and contextualize scientific literature through smart citations. Unlike traditional indexes that merely count citation, Cite analyze the context of each citation to determine if it supports, contrast, or simply mention the Cited work. The function and use of Cite AI tools. Cite has indexed over 1.4 billion citation statements from more than 200 million sources. Smart citation analysis classifies citations into three categories: supporting evidence, confirms results, contrasting evidence, disputes results, or mentioning. Cite Assistant, a chatbot that answers research questions by pulling information directly from full text papers and providing verifiable in text citations. Reference check scans manuscripts to alert authors if any of their cited references have been retracted, highly disputed, or received editorial notices. Literature discovery allows users to search for claims directly within citation statements, not just in titles or abstracts. Research dashboards. Users can create custom dashboards to track citation trends, monitor specific authors, and receive alert for new citation on those topics. Pros and cons. Pros: contextual insight provides the actual sentences surrounding a citation, saving researchers the time of opening every PDF to see how a paper was used. Research integrity effectively identifies retracted or debunked studies, preventing researchers from blinding on straw foundations. Cons. Subscriptions cost. While a limited free version exists, full access in 2026 cost approximately $12 to $39 per month. Disciplinary gaps. Coverage is strongest in STEAM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and social sciences. It is notably less comprehensive for arts and humanities. Algorithm limitations. The AI can occasionally misclassify a citation intent, requiring users to manually verify classification with low confidence scores. Research Rabbit. Research Rabbit is an AI driven literature discovery and visualization platform often described as Spotify for papers. It allows researchers to move beyond traditional keywords searches by mapping connections between papers and authors. Research Rabbit's functions. Discovery through speed papers. Users starts by adding a few relevant papers and the AI automatically recommends similar works, earlier citations and later references. Interactive citation mapping generates visual graphs showing how papers are connected, helping users identify clusters of research and influential authors in a specific field. Author networks map co-authorship and collaborations to help users find prominent figures and potential mentors in their research areas. Real-time recommendations continuously update suggestions as more papers are added to collections, mirroring music streaming recommendations. Collaborative collections researchers can share interactive research folders with colleges and students for collective literature reviews. Research Rabbit's pros and cons. Pros: visual insight provides a bird's eye view of research landscape through dynamic maps. Automation drastically reduce the time spent on citation mining or manually digging through references. Workflow integration seamlessly integrates with reference managers like Zotero to import and export collections. Free accessibility remains committed to a free forever model for core features to support global equity in research. Cons. Learning curve. The column based interface and dense data visualization can be overwhelming for new users. Database gap. Historically replied on the Microsoft Academic Graph, which stopped updating in 2021, occasionally leading to a lack of very recent publications. Discovery focus. It is a tool for finding papers, not for reading or annotating them. Users still need separate tools for analysis. Humanities limitations much stronger in STEM and social sciences than in arts and humanities. Connected Papers. Connected Papers is a visual AI discovery tool used by researchers and applied scientists to explore academic literature through similarity based graphs rather than traditional linear search results. The function and uses of connected papers. Connected papers analyzes over 200 million papers primarily using the semantic scholar database to map relationship between academic works. Visual mapping. Users input a single seed papers and the tool generates an interactive graph where nodes represent related papers. The distance between nodes reflects their conceptual similarity. Similarity based discovery. Unlike a standard citation tree, it uses co citation and bibliographic coupling. This means it can find highly relevant papers even if they do not directly cite each other. Prior and derivative works. Dedicated views identify prior works, influential seminal papers frequently cited by those in the graph, and derivative works, recent reviews, or newer studies that cite many papers in the graph. Multi origin graphs. Users can add multiple seed papers to identify interesting research areas between different topics. Bibliography building. It integrates with reference managers like Zotero and Mendeley, allowing for the export of citation list in bib.dot format. Pros and cons for connected papers. Pros. Efficiency rapidly provides a high level overview of a new research field, saving hours of manual searching. Intuitive visuals. Node size represents citation count and color indicates the publication years, making trends easy to spot. Integration partners directly with Eric's and PubMed to show visual graphs alongside paper pages. Cons. Usage limits. The free plan is limited to the 5 graphs per month. Ultimate access required a premium subscriptions. Seed dependency. It usually relies on a single seed paper, which may miss broader context if the chosen paper is too niche. Semantic scholars. Function and uses. An AI powered academic search engine that uses natural language processing to index over 200 million papers. It provides one sentence AI generated summaries to help researchers quickly screen paper relevance. Influence analysis identifies highly influential citations where a paper significantly builds upon another. Semantic readers an augmented reading tools that provides in context definitions and related citations while reading. History and pros and cons of Semantic Scholar AI. It started November 2015. Company founder created by Allen Institute for AI, AL2, AI2, a non-profit funded by Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen. Pros and cons. Pros. Entirely free to use non-profit mission ensure no SEO base, covers all scientific discipline. Cons limited coverage of non-English publications, citations, graphs can have a learning curve. Consensus AI. Consensus AI functions and uses an evidence-based search engine answers directly from peer-reviewed literature. Consensus meter analyze the top results to show the percentage of papers that agree, disagree, or are neutral on a query. Synthesis and answer. Use LLMs cohesive answer based on the top 20 most relevant papers. History and pros and cons. Started funded in 2021, public launch around August 2022. Pros and cons. Pros strictly users strictly uses peer reviewed sources, no ads, excellent for answering yes no scientific questions quickly. Cons limited free credit per month, sometimes misinterpret specific sources details, not designed for general interest or non-academic queries. Lit maps, functions and uses. A visualization tool that maps citation networks to show how researchers has evolved over time. Dynamic maps. Users start with speed seed papers and generates a map where lines represent citations and the x-axis represents time. Discover automatically find missing papers in your collections by analyzing the connections between the papers you already have. Monitoring alerts users when new papers are published that fit into their existing citation maps. History and pros and cons. Started in 2016, publicly launched in late 2020. Pros. Best in class for visual literature reviews, help identify seminal works and niche clusters. Cons. The freemium model limits the number of maps or papers in a collection without a paid subscription. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.